How AI learns. Machine learning. Explained for beginners. Imagine a child learning to recognize animals. At first, they might call every four-legged creature a dog. But over time, with feedback, correction, and more examples, they begin to tell the difference between a dog, a cat, a cow, and a lion. That, in essence, is how artificial intelligence, specifically machine learning, learns. So what is machine learning? At its core, machine learning, ML, is a method that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. Think of it as giving machines the ability to learn through experience, much like humans do. Let's break it down into something super simple. The recipe analogy. Picture ML like a recipe. You provide the ingredients, data, follow some instructions, algorithms, and eventually you get a dish, the prediction or decision. The better your ingredients, high-quality data, the better your dish, accurate results. If you feed the machine bad or biased data, it will learn the wrong patterns. Garbage in, garbage out. Types of learning. There are three main ways machines learn. Just like students in school. Supervised learning. Imagine a teacher giving labeled flashcards. A picture of a cat says cat, a dog says dog, and the machine sees these examples and learns the patterns. Later, when it sees a new image, it tries to guess the correct label based on what it learned. Unsupervised learning. This time, there are no labels. The machine is given a jumble of data and asked to find patterns or groupings. It's like giving students a pile of puzzle pieces and letting them figure out how they fit without showing the final picture. Reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a pet. When the AI makes a good decision, it gets a reward. When it messes up, it doesn't. Over time, it learns to make better choices by trial and error. The brain of a baby robot. Let's imagine a baby robot looking around its environment. It sees red balls, blue cubes, green pyramids. It begins to associate shapes and colors through repetition. With enough examples, it begins to predict, this red round thing, probably a ball. That's machine learning in action, recognizing patterns and making predictions. The role of data. Data is everything. Without data, a machine learning model is like a brain with no memories. Whether it's images, text, sound, or numbers, ML models need massive amounts of information to spot patterns and learn. For example, to teach a model to recognize handwriting, you might need thousands or even millions of samples of letters written by different people. The more diverse the data, the smarter the model becomes. Algorithms, the secret sauce. Algorithms are like chefs who decide how to use the ingredients, data. They control how the machine learns. Different algorithms are used for different tasks, some for detecting spam emails, others for recommending videos, or even diagnosing diseases. Some popular algorithms include decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machines. Don't worry if those sound complex, they're just different tools for different problems. How the machine improves. After training, the machine is tested with new data it hasn't seen before. This is called validation. If it performs well, great. If not, it goes back, adjusts, and learns again. This loop of train, test, improve is how AI gets better over time. Real-life examples. You see ML in action every day. When Netflix suggests shows you might like, machine learning. When Gmail filters spam, machine learning. When your phone unlocks with your face, machine learning. And it doesn't stop there. Self-driving cars, medical diagnoses, smart assistants. AI is learning and evolving constantly. Challenges and cautions. But it's not all magic. Machine learning can be biased if the data it learns from is biased. It can also make mistakes, especially in unpredictable situations. That's why human oversight and ethical use of AI is just as important as the technology itself. Final metaphor: planting the tree of intelligence. Think of machine learning like planting a tree. The data is the soil. The algorithm is the seed. Training is the sunlight and water, and results are the fruits it bears. With the right care, the tree grows stronger, smarter, and more fruitful over time. So next time you hear someone say AI is learning, remember, it's not magic. It's math, data, and experience working together, just like we humans learn every day. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just curious, understanding how AI learns is the first step to shaping a smarter future. Stay curious. Keep learning. Machine learning is not just for machines, it's for minds like yours.